I've been comparing Softr and Stacker throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review on which one might suit you better. Softr is designed for simplicity. It lets you build client portals, internal tools, and basic web apps using a drag-and-drop interface, all without writing a line of code. It connects smoothly with Airtable or Google Sheets, making it great for solo creators or small teams who want to get something live quickly. The pre-made templates save a ton of time, but if you want deeper control over design, logic, or user roles, you might start to feel the limitations pretty soon. Stacker, on the other hand, is more powerful when it comes to building structured internal tools or portals with multiple user roles. It gives you much better control over what each user can see or do and handles things like permissions and workflows in a more advanced way than Softr. But it's also a bit more technical to set up, and the pricing reflects that extra functionality. So it might be overkill for simple projects. In short, if you want speed and ease, Softr is the way to go. If you need complex logic and user-level permissions, Stacker pulls ahead. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.